How to duplicate and delete layers in PixelLab. Working with multiple layers in PixelLab, I will show you how to duplicate layers to save time and delete layers to clean up your design step by step. Let's get started. First things first, launch PixelLab and open your project. Tap the layers icon at the top. It looks like stacked squares. Find the layer you want to duplicate, text, image or sticker. Tap it, then select duplicate. A new copy of that layer appears above the original. Now you can edit it independently. To delete a layer, find a layer you want to remove. Tap it and then select delete, the trash icon at the top. Confirm if prompted, a layer will be removed from your project. To manage layers efficiently, drag layers up or down in the layers menu to change which is on top. Rename layers to stay organized when working on complex designs. And that's it. Now you know how to duplicate and delete layers in PixelLab. A huge time saver for thumbnails, posts or any creative design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.